There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? It's money everywhere. It's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino is the Name. Hey, yo, what's going on right now? You're watching Casino is the Name, and I was having a conversation with someone the other day about becoming an accountant. As a matter of fact, I wasn't even the one trying to tell them to become an accountant. Someone else kind of said, hey, you should tell them about being an accountant because they're trying to figure out what they want to do with themselves. I think they'd be good being an accountant. They like money. And I said, okay, sure, I'll tell them. And the person said, no, that I don't want to do all that math, okay? And also they said, plus it's boring. And I said, well, there's some misconceptions here that I know people have about accounting. All right, accounting is not boring. Can you have a boring job? Yes, but that is going to be based off of wherever you work or whatever your role is and whatever you consider boring. Somebody may really like being in tax. They may really love tax. They may really love crunching the numbers, figuring things out, being creative. Somebody might really love tax, and you may not be that person, but somebody else really enjoys it. Tax may not be boring to them. Tax might be ever evolving. It might be every person that comes in has different taxes for these people, and they love it. They're excited to see how much money someone made and how they made it and what they bought with it and what they sold and what they profited and what they lost. Somebody may love to see that. Then there's someone who may, or you may be an audit person. You may really like doing audits. An audit is may, depending on the kind of audit that you do, may not be financially, it may not be like a numbers kind of audit. It might be a regulation kind of audit. Maybe you're just trying to find out if someone is following rules and regulations. And when you write your report on whatever you have to write your report on, it may be more English or literature based, meaning that you may be doing more. It might be more beneficial for you to take some writing classes than necessarily some tax classes. So, you know, your audit might be heavily based on verbiage, like however, writing your report. That may be the main focus, and understanding laws and regulations. It may not be so much about the numbers. And there's assurance services. There's all sorts of things that fall under accounting. And there's so many misconceptions about what accounting is or if it's a boring job. And I'm like, yo, you could be doing international accounting, flying overseas and going up in corporate offices and talking to CEOs and interviewing people. Like, there is no one way to do this. You could be an accountant, and this person likes to go out. So I wanted to kind of just appeal to them on their going out kind of nature. Like, they really like going out. They really like being with the ballers. They really like going out and hanging out with celebrities and things like that. So I said, yo, every rapper you be hearing in their song, they say, let me call my accountant, or, my accountant said, saying this, or I got 4 accountants, or whatever it is. Michael Jordan has accountants. LeBron James has accountants. You name it. Tiger Woods has accountants. And all of these people usually are on a speed dial type relationship with their accountant. They know their accountant's really good. Fireworks is going off. And but they know their accountant's really good. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's loud. It's loud. But they know their accountant's really good, and they probably even have dinner with their accountants and a lot of one-on-ones. Imagine that just getting an accounting degree or becoming an accountant or becoming a CPA, you get to sit down and hang out with LeBron James and his kids just because you're an accountant. That's all. That you get to hang out with Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt just because you're an accountant. The world of accounting is a lot bigger than the traditional sitting in the back room board crunching numbers on a calculator with glasses on. No, no. There are accountants in the club hanging out, popping bottles with football players and basketball players and stockbrokers and all kinds of people, all sorts of entertainers, actresses and actors, and it's a lot of opportunity to like go out and enjoy and meet those people. See, you can go out. Let me give you an example. You start your own accounting practice. Might be bookkeeping, whatever it is. Might be tax, whatever it is. You go pull up in the nice limousines and you got your nice suit on and you doing all of it. Maybe you got a bill there, but you go out, you pull up to these same clubs that Kim Kardashian and Kanye West in, and you go in there and you pay to be in the VIP section just like everybody else. And while everybody's like, hanging out, you passing out your card. Hey, I'm an accountant. Hey, I'm your guy if you're trying to make sure your money is making money for your kids and their kids and their kids and their kids. I'm the guy. Now, you're going to need to know what you're doing, but you position yourself to pass along, your card. It's called networking, people. It's the same thing, but you don't have to be sending out emails. You can go put yourself in those spaces. Go to some NFL locker rooms. See if you can get in there and talk to some of the players about wealth management. You can do these things, guys. Accounting does not have to be boring, okay? I just wanted to come and let you guys know this because there's so many people thinking that accounting is boring. Now, I love what I do, and I work in audit. So you guys might want to look into audit. You might want to look into insurance services. You might want to look into bookkeeping. You might want to look into tax. You might want to look into financial planning. It's so many things that you can look at. You might want to look in starting a hedge fund. But there's a lot of opportunity. You might want to look into banking. I don't know. But there's a lot of opportunity for you guys. And accounting is not boring. It can be one of the most exhilarating careers that you ever had. I'm just telling you. Anyway, right now you're watching Casino is the Name, and I'm out. Oh yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like, comment, subscribe, it will boost the algorithm. The algorithm of YouTube would like that, and I would greatly appreciate you. Anyway, right now you're watching Casino is the Name, and I'm out.
Beat me up, Scotty. Me up, Scotty.
Me and her together, we just counted up. Money on my mind, I can't get enough. Don't play with my money, you don't want no beef. Cause I come from the bottom, I come from the street. When she first saw me, she said, who is that? When a man saw me, he called me a threat. I'm the one that really live with a rap. They ain't never did it, they ain't really trap. Say you want to be successful, but what's stopping you? Can't nothing stop you from being successful except for you. You standing in your own way. I came from the bottom. I ain't know nothing but the grind. You can't tell me nothing about that. I called the Busted Basic Street Projects in Tallahassee, Florida. You hear me? I used to think $1 million would last me my whole life. I'd have made that and spent that. $1 million ain't enough. There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? There's money everywhere. There's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino is the Name.